Welcome back to Sets and Seconds with me, Ross, and today we're here on the Pirate Island, and as you can see there's lots of stuff going on here, but the important thing are the two ships to the side of me. First of all, we have the pirate ship that has obviously started its attack, but now the, Navy has to go and fight back, and that's why we have the admiral ship here, the frigate, and it's coming for the pirates. So, well, what do you think? Who will win? It's an interesting thing. It's an exciting, outcome. We don't know what's going to happen, but let us know.